Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt on Volkswagen Tiguan 2 liters TDI. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. You can see the serpentine belt is located right there. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to go underneath the car. We're not going to be able to take it out from the top. We're going to go underneath the car and remove it from there. First, we'll start by removing the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. And now I have access to the serpentine belt. To remove the serpentine belt, the tensioner is right there. This bolt right there, this pulley right there is the tensioner. And there is two holes on the tensioner, and we're going to put a pin in there to hold it when we turn the tensioner clockwise. These are the two holes that we're going to put the pin through and to hold the tensioner in place. This is the pin that I'm using. I'm going to put the pin first through one of the holes, and then I'm going to get a wrench to turn the tensioner, and when I turn the tensioner I'm going to put the pin through the other hole as well. To turn the tensioner, I'm going to use a long wrench. This is the long wrench that I'm using. The size of the wrench is size 16. I'm putting the wrench on the bolt of the tensioner pulley, and I'm going to turn it clockwise until one of the holes on the tensioner reaches the other hole, and so that I can put the pin through both holes. Okay, now I'm turning the tensioner. I'm going to put the pin in through both holes, and now the tensioner is held in place, and now the serpentine belt should be loose, and I can remove it easily. Here's a closer view of the pin and how it goes through both holes, and you can see now that the serpentine belt is loose and I can remove it. Before I put the new belt back on, I'm going to show you the routing of the belt in the service manual. This is how the belt goes around all the pulleys. And now I'm going to put the new belt back on. This is the part number for the belt. I'm going to put the belt back on in the reverse order as taking it out. When I put the belt around all the pulleys, then I'm going to get the wrench and turn the tensioner clockwise so that I can remove the pin that's in between the holes. And then I'm going to remove the wrench, and the belt should be tight onto the pulleys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.